game time. It's game time. And we have something new, 2018 Absolute Football. This is 2 blaster boxes, and each one has a guaranteed hit. 64 total cards. 64 total cards in each box. Hopefully I've already posted the video of the value packs. I'm hoping to see something new and different from the value packs here, aside from the guaranteed hit. There were some really gorgeous parallels in the value packs. I'm not sure if they're going to be in here or not. We are about to find out. There were no numbered cards in the value packs, and numbered parallels are something that I particularly really like, so I'm hoping there are some in here, and we are about to see. I really like the base design. It looks to be a very condition sensitive card in that it's completely foil covered and probably picks up fingerprints like a mofo. So yeah, but there it is. It's a really good looking card. So we're starting off with Flacco and Gronk, Josh Gordon and Carson Wentz. This is a covering ground Jordan Howard. I think I got one of those out of the value packs. Dalvin Cook, AJ Green, and Derek Carr. Not sure how hard it will be to get an autograph over a mem card, but traditionally, typically with blasters, you're much more likely to get a mem card than an auto. Clay Matthews, DeSean Jackson, Jared Goff, Kazir White, rookie. 1-2 punch, Eli and Odell Beckham, Josh Norman, Ryan Tannehill, and Trubisky. There's Bilal Powell, Marvin Jones Jr., Doug Baldwin, Jalen Ramsey, Revolutionaries, Brian Dawkins, Odell Beckham, Demaryius Thomas, and Jerick McKinnon. Julio, Tom Brady, Tyrod Taylor, Tremaine Edmonds, rookie card. These are not numbered, by the way. Late game heroics, Jeff Garcia. From a game in 2003, 49ers Giants. Marlon Mack, Fitz, and Kirk Cousins. Khalil Mack, Devontae Adams, Mike Evans, AJ McCarron, Saquon Barkley introductions, very nice. Andy Dalton, Brissett, and Thompson. So not seeing anything different from the value pack, and not seeing what's absent is the really good looking parallel that was in the value packs. Drew Brees, Allen Hurns, Ben Roethlisberger, a Jordan Wilkins rookie. Wait, there's one. And it is a Roquan Smith. Keenan Allen, Greg Olsen, and Jonathan Stewart. I'm trying to feel if either there's down to 2 packs. This one feels a little stiff. This might have a relic card. I don't know. Maybe I'll get lucky and get an autograph. We'll see. Got something there. I'll hold on to it and go ahead and open this other pack. You guys can hold out for 1 minute, can't ya? Marshawn Lattimore, Zeke. Hey, sorry about that. Had a little interruption, and I'm going to pick it right back up with Roquan Smith, rookie card, a Derek Carr, good looking parallel there, David Johnson, Devontae Parker, Le'Veon Bell, and then let's see who this autograph is. We've got DeAndre Hopkins, who's this? Rashard Matthews, Phillip Rivers, Cam Newton, and Jordan Poyer. Signature standouts. Sticker auto, not numbered, but happy to get an auto out of here anyway. We have Case Keenum, Garoppolo, and T.Y. Hilton. And that is box number 1. Stack these up. Alright, let's check out the second box. Keep losing my trash bucket. Oh, I forgot I was going to show you guys my new... I've been using this huge cutter. And yesterday I found a new baby cutter. It's like the size of a pen. It's teeny tiny. I know, nobody cares, but I thought it was cute. And a little bit easier to use. I can use the big one for opening deliveries and the small one for opening card boxes. Alright, let's see if we see a thick one. That might be a game used card. Well, I say game used. We know nowadays that most of it's player worn instead of actual game used. So again, no numbered cards. That's, to me, what I'm seeing so far is the biggest drawback to this stuff, because they've done a really good job with the base design. Hey, I may have to backtrack for a second. I had a call, so let me go back. DeSean Jackson. We did not see this. Revolutionaries, Tony Gonzalez. Basically, you get one insert per pack, insert or parallel, and you're not guaranteed a rookie in every pack, which is probably a good thing in keeping the rookies a little bit more valuable. There's Golf and Bilal Powell. It's like my 5th Bilal Powell just in this stuff. The checklist, I mean, I'm getting a lot of dupes. There's a rookie Danny Etling, which I think I already have one of those. Late game heroics, Jameis Winston, Garoppolo. Yeah, I'm getting lots of duplicates now, which is, I mean, I haven't opened that much, so that's probably not a great thing. I did open 8 of the value packs, so I guess that is, I don't know, that's a decent number of cards. Julio, there's Brady, DJ Moore, introductions, insert, Parker, Bell, and JJ Watt. Tyrod Taylor, Khalil Mack, Devontae Adams, Marcel Aitman, rookie. David Johnson, covering ground, insert. Alex Smith, Melvin Gordon, and that's my first Christian McCaffrey. Mike Evans, AJ McCarron, Drew Brees, Alan Hearns, 1-2 punch, David Johnson and Larry Fitz, Eli Manning, Sean Lee, Antonio Brown. Then we have Roethlisberger, Hopkins, Matthews, Trenton Cannon, rookie card for the Jets, a Trey Quinn rookie parallel, I don't know if you can see that, Andrew Luck, Bradford, and Robinson. Down to the last 2 packs, so we're going to have a hit here. That looks to be it. Probably a jersey, not a very thick one though. That pack is not all that much thicker than these other packs have been. Kareem Hunt, Suggs, White, McLeod, rookie, good looking Russell Wilson parallel, Fournette, Freeman, Thielen, and our hit. We have Phillip Rivers, Cam Newton, Lattimore, Elliott, a Dante Pettis, so a rookie, dual memorabilia. Nothing crazy there, just two little red identical swatches, but Dante Pettis is a decent rookie to get, so this is not a bad card. Robbie Anderson, Matthew Stafford, and Russell Wilson. So I got no autos or mem cards out of the value packs. The one promised in each blaster, and here they are. So I did get one autograph. It'll be interesting to see other people open these blasters to see just how common the autographs actually are. And that's it. I really like the base design. The inserts are very hollow full and they look pretty good. I don't like that there are no numbered cards or numbered parallels. I don't like that. I really think that that adds value to a product, so the absence of that is a little bit of a bummer. But other than that, I'm kind of giving this a thumbs up. So let me know what you think. Have you already bought some? Are you going to? Do you like it? Do you hate it? I always love to hear what everybody else thinks about something too. Just compare notes. Maybe you see it from a different angle that I'm not, from what I'm seeing it as. So that's it. I'll be back with another video very soon.